it was basically a 1 hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in for them.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have worked with kids in the past that had autism, and I never saw a case, like I never saw two kids that ever had the same kind of symptoms or like anything resembling the other child that also had a diagnosis with autism. There's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been going up.
I would probably use the X-Men analogy, where it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men, and no two gifts are identical, but it's clearly the X-Men. So from that perspective, what you find with not just neurotypicals but atypicals. Now, I'm not an expert in this area because my views are based from a self-referential